Okay, on to 6.2. File new part. Okay, the first one, we need a pin that is 50 millimeters in diameter by 300 mil long. Sketch new. $50. Extrude 300. And material is titanium. Titanium. Okay, save as, what do we call that? Pin 1, long pin. File new part. Sketch. This time we have a pin that is 100 mil. Again, made out of titanium. File, save as, short pin. New part. This one is the chain link. Alright, so this time, let's go ahead and make block. So this is 100 mil by, how far out are we? $250. Is that right? 200 plus 50. This is 100. Okay. Select this edge, shift and this edge, and make them tangents. This edge and the top edge and tangents. And that should make these bottom ones tangents too. Yes, good. Trim entities. We've got another one in the middle here that is 50. We've got 50 there. Oh, let's get this dimension back on. It's 200. And let's just so select the center of this circle, hold down shift and select the origin and go coincident just to lock it back in. And we will take our slot out here. So that is 30 and 40. 30, 40. And that is 50 mil in. Okay. Let's go ahead and extrude that to a depth of where is it? How deep is it? Okay, that's by 100. Okay. Let's just go back in here and edit this sketch, because that's not 50, that's 100. Up here, rebuild tool, and we'll turn our shape back into our shape. Alright, so right click on the side face, sketch, recenter our drawing, and let's draw two rectangles that are 40 millimeters apart, and that are 30 millimeters from there, and that are 100 deep. And if we click on that point, shift and this point, and go vertical, it will lock them in. And then we can go features, extrude cut, through all, and that will give us our first bit. Right. Next one, right click and sketch, recenter, and this back into 100 mil. And the same as we did before, we're going to tangent it to these edges. Tangent, tangent, trim entities, oops, Control Z. Let's put that in a box. Okay, now trim entities. That will cut that section out and put our 50 mil in the middle. Features, extrude cut. Don't forget to select these parts as well. Oops, through all. Okay. Now, just looking at this. This section here doesn't look long enough to me. I'm just going to check our measurements again in this drawing here, because we missed one. This measurement to here is 150. Okay, let's just make that one match that one. Again, rebuild. Still doesn't look long enough. Okay, I figured out what it was. This here, if we go back into this sketch, we've said 200 from center to edge. It's center to center, so that's actually 250. So if we rebuild that and then come into this one, so right click, edit sketch, pull it down to the side again. Let's make these ones longer. Why is that 100? Let's make that 200. And rebuild. rebuild. That looks better. And that is made out of titanium also. So right click, edit material, other metals, titanium, apply, file, save as, and that is, let's call it chain link.